Hey guys, we're doing the mini for the final 15 teams in Noir Pick a Team Box 3. Top 15 win. Close that door. Bloody vacuuming. Yeah, top 15 wins. So Mavs, Hawks, Kings, Clippers, Grizz, Sixers, Spurs, Pelicans, Thunder, Rockets, Nets, Pistons, Pacers, Raptors, and Wizards are up for grabs. It's 2:50:21 p.m. Melbourne time. Random is live. Oops, I didn't even put people's names in. Where are you going? Alrighty. Dice roll. I did put random live, didn't I? Yep. Dice roll 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the top 15 are Albie, Brendan, Marcus, Jeff, Nick Watson, Kiwi, Adam Bartley, Brendan, Albie, Tommy Stingel, Mr. Holland, Bartley, Jeff, and Albie. Congrats. It's 2:51:28 p.m. Melbourne time. And complete.